What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna fix the tire that's been flat, but we're not gonna do a regular plug. We're actually gonna do a patch on this tire. Now, I've been trying to fix this tire for a little while now, and it's not holding with any plugs. So I went out and bought a patch kit. Let me show you what it looks like. Here is a slime patch kit. I'll leave the link in the description below for y'all. We are gonna dismount this tire using basic tools that you should have around the house. If you don't, you can go find it. Tire iron works best, but we're gonna use some pry bars. We're gonna dismount this tire, clean it up a little bit, and patch it, and then reinstall it. So hopefully it all goes well because we need it back on this truck. So let's get it done. Now, obviously the first thing we're gonna do is remove the valve stem. We need it to deflate all the air from the tire so we can pop our bead. And we're gonna use that with a valve stem removal tool, which we have in this blackjack kit, which I'll leave in the link in the description below for y'all. Here you go, here's the tool, so let's deflate it. Now, there are many different ways to dismount this tire. We have to break the bead. So I think one, you can use your weight and step on it. Hopefully that helps. If not, we can break out the sledgehammer to see if we can drop this bead. And then third, if that doesn't work, then we can just simply try to pry around it and see if we can just pop the bead manually. It's gonna take some time because this bead is pretty sealed on there. So let's try. Come on, pop, 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 pop the bead, 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 pop the bead. All right, that bead's not popping. Let's try number 2, sledgehammer. Okay, that doesn't work. Number 3, manual effort. Bear with me for a little bit. Let me go grab some other tools and see if we can get this loose. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so it comes with this like metal scrubber thing. You obviously want to use this to kind of scrub around the hole, and then you can apply your rubber cement and then your patch. So let us scrub it right now. I tried removing the whole rim, but then I figured if I can get to it right here, why remove the whole rim from the tire? It'll make an easier process to put it back on if I left it alone. I think it's pretty scored enough. Let's put the patch on and then the rubber cement. So here's the patch, and all you have to do is just get something to roll it on. After you done put the rubber cement and you done smoothing it out, just get something to kind of roll it in place so it can stay good. And now we just need to remount our tire. Now all we gotta do is take some soapy water, spray around our bead, and try to set our bead in place. Finally, we just gotta pump it up and make sure that the bead seals. Alrighty guys, so here is the tire. Everything worked well. In order to pop back the bead, you need to put some air into the tire, put the air, take out the valve stem, put the air in, and let the bead pop. It's gonna take some time for the bead to pop. I needed John to help me. We had it to roll the tire, I had it to spray the tire, I had to put grease on the tire and keep spraying while putting air into it so it can finally seal and the bead will pop into its place. And it finally worked. Now all we have to do is just add some air to the proper pressures that we need, and then we're gonna pop this sucker back in. But I'm gonna save you all and spare you all the time from watching that because it's not needed for you guys. So I did check it. There is no more leaks. It's finally good and sealed. I'm happy with the results. And yeah, I'll leave everything in the link in the description for y'all. So if you guys liked this video, please make sure you click that like button. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below. Guys, that's the easiest way to support this channel for me. It's the freest way to support the channel. You don't have to buy anything. Just give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. And I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.